आज हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से ट्रैफिक ब्रांच एडिशनल सीपी अनिल कुमार, डीसीपी ट्रैफिक चौहान साहब, डीसीपी ट्रैफिक बाबूराव और सभी ट्रैफिक ऑफिसर्स आज एक समर के लिए हमारे ट्रैफिक पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को एक किट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का प्रोग्राम हुआ, जिसमें कि रिफ्लेक्टर्स, डार्क ग्लासेस, ग्लूकोन डी, एक किट बैग और इस तरह का चीज़ सबका ट्रैफिक वालों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया। हमारे ट्रैफिक पुलिस ऑफिसर्स गर्मी में, सर्दियों में या मॉनसून में, किसी भी मौसम में हमेशा ड्यूटी करते हैं, रोड पे रहते हैं। हमारे हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर अगर कोई सच्चे माने में हैं तो हमारे ट्रैफिक ऑफिसर्स हैं, और उनके हार्ड वर्क, उनके डेडिकेशन और डिवोशन को लेकर ये एक छोटा सा फैसिलिटी हम लोग सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से उनको दे रहे हैं। और हर रोज़ बटर मिल्क का सप्लाई भी शुरू हो गया है। समर में जब बाहर टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है तो हर एक ट्रैफिक ऑफिसर्स को सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से बटर मिल्क की भी सुविधा अरेंज की गई है। पूरे ट्रैफिक ऑफिसर्स को हमारे तरफ से गुड विशेस। पिछले साल उन्होंने मेहनत करके ट्रैफिक रेगुलेशन करते हुए रोड सेफ्टी का एक अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर बनाया, जिसमें फेटल रोड एक्सीडेंट, जिसमें लोग एक्सीडेंट से मरते हैं, उसके एक्सीडेंट में भी कमी आया, लोगों के मरने के नंबर में भी कमी आया। और ये सब अपने ट्रैफिक पुलिस के हार्ड वर्क कोऑर्डिनेशन से शुरू हुआ है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आने वाले समय में हैदराबाद शहर का रोड सेफ्टी और भी बेहतर होगा। आज की तारीख में हम लोग हर बड़े शहर, चाहे वो दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, बेंगलोर, कहीं भी हो, वहाँ से हैदराबाद बहुत बेहतर है और हैदराबाद को हम और बेहतर बनाएंगे। और इसमें हम पब्लिक का कोऑपरेशन, पब्लिक का सपोर्ट भी चाहते हैं। थैंक यू।
We are very happy that our Commissioner of Police, he has come to the traffic branch and he has distributed all this basic necessity, basic requirement for our traffic police. As CP sir already told that our men, they are working in the day and night, whether it's summer or winter or monsoon season, without caring for their health or safety. They serve the public. In that direction, to encourage them and to motivate them, City Police has provided them all the necessary items. Today, CP sir has distributed a kit bag which includes the Glucon-D packets, the water bottle, goggles, and one munchie bag. And every day we are providing them the 1 or 2 packets of buttermilk. If there is any special bandobast where the long standing hours are required, then we are providing them 2 to 3 packets of buttermilk as per the requirement, and water bottles also we are providing. So without thinking about any budget or anything, our city police, we are providing them all the necessary items. And not only that, for their health and their medical checkup also, we are coordinating with the corporate hospitals, and their regular medical checkups are also being done. And for air pollution, they are being provided with the nose masks also. And all these items will be provided to each and every man of the traffic branch, starting from the home guards till all the senior officers.
Regarding e-challan, how you are going to collect e-challan?
E-challan every day. I am happy to announce that every day Hyderabad public is paying more than 15 lakhs on e-challan payment. That is highest in the country. So the compliance to the e-challan has increased tremendously in the last few months. And then those who don't pay, we conduct a special drive and we call it as a top violation. And those who don't pay, we file the charge sheet against them if they are having more than 10 challans pending. And others, we request them to go and pay their challans and get their vehicle released. And it is the duty of each and every citizen that they should obey the traffic rules and they should obey the law of the land, and on their own they should pay the e-challans. Whether they are a small person or a big person, everybody is equal in the eyes of the law. And our traffic officers, we also don't discriminate against anyone. Everyone is equal on the road, and we request all the people, all the citizens of Hyderabad city, whoever is having e-challan pending, they should pay it without any delay, and they can check on our e-challan website by just typing their vehicle number. They will know whether the challan is pending against them or not. And there are many gateways. It's all online. We don't collect any cash, and they can pay. And I request once again that everybody should pay the challan.
And what about road accidents? Doing any drives, preventive drives?
We are taking a lot of measures to control road accident in Hyderabad city. I am happy to inform that last 2 years there is a tremendous decrease in the fatal death cases in Hyderabad city. And comparing 2017, in 2018 it has further come down. And in the last 4 months also it has further come down. We are taking all the measures in coordination with the municipal corporation and RNB, and we have an engineering cell also. We visit each and every spot of the fatal road accident. Immediately we take measures, and we see that our Hyderabad road are safe and accident free.